Hello guys. So in this part of the course, I'm going to be showing you how to properly format your document that will be ready for you to write your book. Don't worry, you will see how we're going to generate the content for this book without writing a single thing, right? That is one of the main propositions of this course. Even if you're not a writer, even if you're not an author, even if you don't know what to write, we've gone through how you can get book insights on what to write about and how to find a profitable niche to write in. So in this part of the lesson, we're going to be going over what you need to do in your documents to be ready for Amazon Kindle publishing. So you're probably using Microsoft Word. I understand that is fairly the same process. I'm using WPS laptop version of the software, so that's what I'll be using. But if you're using Microsoft Word or any other thing, I'm very sure that how you can set this same setup will be available for whatever type of document you're using. So you remember what I said during our research? I stumbled on a good topic to write about, and that is how to be a good husband. And we talked about how to leverage on author names, and you saw how I came up with this Professor Amanda Free, right? So this is not the topic I'm going to be using to write the book. You will see how we're going to be doing that. So let's go on to format our document so that you will know what I'm saying. So this is typically how your document is going to be looking like if you're using Microsoft Word or WPS in your tablet, your laptop, or your mobile phone, or whatever thing that you're using to make your writings on Amazon Kindle. So what we are going to be doing first is to change the paper type, right? So changing the paper type, we're going to be working with the width, we're going to be changing the height, we're going to be changing the margin of the top and bottom, we're going to be changing the margin of the left and right, we're going to be changing the gutter and the gutter level. So we're going to also be changing the layout of the header and footer, and you're going to be seeing how to do that right now. So what we're going to be doing first is we're going to go to page layout. So when you click page layout, you're going to be seeing all these options, right? So what we're going to be doing, we go to size, and you see different sizes. You can see that the document is currently in A4 size, that is 8.27 inch by 11.69 inch. So but this is not what we're going to be using. We're going to be going to more papers. So more papers will give us the ability for us to use whichever type of document size that we want to use. So I want you to make sure that everything is set in inch, right? You don't want it to be in point, centimeter, or millimeter. Just let it be in inch. Let everything be in inch, and you don't have to worry about this one, because once you change any of these ones, this will automatically change to custom size. So the width of the paper we are going to be using for our publishing is 6 inches. 6 inches, and the height is 9 inches. And that is the first thing we are changing. Make sure that the width is 6 inches and the height is 9 inches. And then we're going to be working on the margins. For our top margin is going to be 1, so we're going to leave it at this. The bottom is going to be 1 inch. We're going to leave it at that. Our left is going to be 0.65 inches, so we're going to write 0.65 inches. This is still going to be 0.65 inches, and the gutter position will be left. We're going to be leaving it at that, and our gutter width should be 0.2 inches, 0.2 inches, and that is how we're going to leave our margins. So make sure that it's also in portrait mode, and we're going to go to our layout. We're going to check this different odd and even pages. We're going to see why we are going to choose this once we start our publishing. So click different odd and even pages, and from our header is supposed to be 0.35 inches, and our footer is supposed to be 0.35 inches. And make sure that your measurement is in inches, right? and we are going to go to our columns. Our number of column is 1. Document grid, no grid here. Text flow is horizontal, just like we wanted. So once you are done with these settings as it is right here, just click OK and you will see the changes in the paper size. You can see that the paper size has changed, and you can see your settings over here, right? So this is basically how to format your document if you are ready for your first Kindle publishing. And in the next lesson, we're going to be going over how to generate our content for this particular book, and how to like we said about titles, how we're going to formulate a title that really will sell, and then a subtitle that will sell. And you can see how we're going to be formatting our book in order so that you follow through and do the same thing to get the same results. All right, I hope this was clear. If you don't get everything at this first point, please make sure to go through the video again so that you understand everything, as it is very important in formatting your document this way before you start writing. Or you can finish writing and then format it, and then rearrange your work the way it should be. And then there are also other important things that I'll be showing you, but that will be when we are generating content for our book. Do not forget, the name of our book will be How to Be a Good Husband by Amanda Frey, and we are going to be seeing how to generate content for this particular book. I hope this was insightful. I'm happy that you're learning and you're at this point now, and I hope this was worth it. And I will see you in the next lesson.